Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective question topic is electrolytes and electrochemistry. Those are very important for your upcoming examinations. The first question is that good conductors have many loosely bound. A good conductor have many loosely bound. The right answer is electrons. Question number 2. Faraday's constant. Right answer is a numerical constant. Question number third. The conduction of electricity through the electrolyte solution is due to the movement of ions of electrolyte. Question number fourth. In electro-refining, the pure metal is deposited on cathode. Question number 5. The best conductor of electricity is 0.1 m solution of sulfuric acid. Question number 6. The molten sodium chloride conducts the electricity due to the presence of free ions. Question number 7. The device was converted chemically energy of fuels directly into electrical energy is fuel cell. Question number 8. For which of the following cells the standard cell voltage is 0? Right answer is concentration cell. Question number 9. A smuggler could not carry gold by depositing iron on the gold surface because gold has the higher standard reduction potential than iron. Question number 10. The electrochemical cell stops working after some time because electrode potentials of both electrodes equalize. Question number 11. One of the reference electrons involves the use of Hg2Cl2. Question number 12. The most powerful reducing agent is potassium K. Question number 13. On the basis of position in the electrochemical series, the metal which does not displace the hydrogen from water and acid is Hg. Question number 14. To protect iron against corrosion, the durable metal plating on it is a zinc plating. Question 15. The depolarizer used in a dry cell batteries is manganese dioxide. Question 16. Iron rust in the presence of both B and C यानी vacuum, both B and C यानी moistures and oxygen. Question 17. Which of the following metal is not attacked by the environment? The right answer is gold. Question 19. A lead storage battery, the anode reaction is Pb plus H2SO4 give us PbSO4 plus 2H plus 2E minus. Question 19. The art of electroplating was given by Faraday's. Question 20. Corrosion is basically an electrochemical phenomenon. Question 21. Which of the following cell is a secondary cell? That is nickel cell. Question 22. The source of electrical energy on the Apollo moon flights was fuel cell. Question 23. When a lead storage battery is charged, it acts as an electrolytic cell. Question 24. Which of the following is a moderate conductor of electricity? Is graphite. Question 25. The element with the highest electrical conductivity is silver. Question 26. The conductivity cell is platinized to avoid polarization effect. The unit equivalent conductivity is ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse. Question 28. Which one of the following is not a strong electrolyte? Is NH4OH. Question 29. The unit of specific conductivity is ohm inverse or centimeter inverse. Question 30. An apparatus used for the measurement of quantity of the electricity is. The right answer is coulometer. Question 31. Quantity of electricity is measured in ampere second. Question 32. Use of electrolysis is both A and B यानी electroplating and electro-refining. Question 33. Pure water does not conduct electricity because it is almost not ionized. Question 34. Which of the following aqueous solution will conduct an electric current quite well? The right answer will be HCl. Question 35. The life of a span of Daniell cell may be increased by larger Zn electrode. Question 36. Water is a non-electrolyte but conduct electricity on the dissolving a small amount of common salt. Question 137. The degree of dissociation of an electrolyte depends on. The right answer is dilution. Next question, question 138. The quantity of electricity needed to deposit 127.08 G of a copper is 1 Faraday. Thanks for watching and sharing.